mistake. Now we pause for a moment. Let's face another reality. The problem with us is we develop a haram relationship and donate our hearts free of charge to this charity known as a boyfriend or a girlfriend, and we've given them the heart and the soul before we've involved the first family member. So we were blinded to all their faults, and then we come up and want to impose it on everyone and say, you know what, I'm going to marry this jackal from down the road. They say, but you're going to be bitten. But I love being bitten. They call it love bites. Subhanallah. You can't say that. Subhanallah. But that's what it is. The whole family, the whole lot are telling you you're making the biggest blunder. And you say, well, if I'm 18 already, if you guys are going to stop me, I'm going to create a police order against you guys. Peace. And I'm going to do my thing. Wow. You were born to us by Allah. We looked after you. We changed your nappies. And by the way, it was quite smelly. And thereafter, we actually got you up. We sent you to the schools. We did whatever we had to. We fed you. We clothed you. We had sleepless nights for you. And today you're saying peace order. Just over a jackal. Subhanallah. Subhanallahi Rabbil Alameen. Wow. So if everyone is telling you you're making a mistake, chances are you probably are. But guess what? Love is blind. MashaAllah. Love is blind. I told you you no longer need glasses. You know why? Sometimes you take them off so you can't really see. That's what it is. My brothers and sisters, let's face reality. Don't make mistakes. Don't donate your heart before involving your folks. Your folks come before anyone else, and their advice mostly is genuine unless you have folks who have not embraced reality. Then all you got to do is play them this talk. What else? Right? It's being recorded right now. You can go and say, I've got a talk I'd like you to listen to. Here goes. My beloved parents, you better make sure you don't say no for nothing. We told them, right?